Hi, my name is Anurag Kashyap. As you know that being a student of law, we always share our thoughts. And today this is the part 3 of the series that says justice delayed is not justice at all. So in this video we are going to discuss a story. The story is fabricated, but on the other hand it shows the real identity of this system. So let's start. So एक गांव था जिसमें एक आदमी रहता था। नाम था रमेश, जो कि बड़ा हम्बल था। एंड वो एक पीस ऑफ लैंड ओन करता था, अ स्मॉल पीस ऑफ लैंड विच ही इनहेरिटेड फ्रॉम हिज फादर, जो कि उसने अपने फादर से इनहेरिट की थी। लैंड वॉज नॉट मच, बट फॉर रमेश इट वॉज एवरीथिंग, क्योंकि उस लैंड से उसके फादर की मेमोरी बनी हुई थी, जिसे वो ना बेचना चाहता था, ना ही उस पर कोई कंस्ट्रक्शन करना चाहता था। एक दिन क्या हुआ, जब वो वहाँ से जा रहा था, उसने नोटिस किया समथिंग विच इज़ वेरी शॉकिंग। ही नोटिस दैट द कंस्ट्रक्शन हैड बिगिन। देयर वर car trucks, there were workers who were digging his dream into dust. उसने जब वो देखा तो वो शॉक हो गया। देन ही अप्रोच्ड द साइट एंड उसने पूछा कि तुम क्या कर रहे हो। दिस इज़ माई लैंड, ये मेरी लैंड है और आई एम द ओनर ऑफ दिस लैंड। वॉट यू आर डूइंग हेयर। कॉन्ट्रैक्ट ने रिप्लाई किया कि मैं इसका मालिक नहीं हूँ। उसने एक गाड़ी की तरफ पॉइंट आउट किया और कहा, आप जाकर उनसे बात कीजिए। रमेश ने उस गाड़ी को अप्रोच किया। वहाँ पर एक आदमी खड़ा हुआ था जिसका नाम था सुरेश। ही वॉज लुकिंग वेरी रिच एंड वेरी पावरफुल। रमेश ने पूछा कि आप मेरी लैंड पे कंस्ट्रक्शन क्यों कर रहे हो विदाउट माई परमिशन। देन सुरेश रिप्लाइड, आई एक्सेप्ट दैट दिस वॉज योर लैंड, but right now this has become mine. If you want money, I will give you. If you want compensation, I will give you. Do one thing, sell this land to me. रमेश ने जब ये सुना, उसको काफ़ी गुस्सा आया और उसने रिप्लाई किया कि ये लैंड मेरी है और मैं इसको नहीं बेचना चाहता। सो आपके लिए अच्छा यही होगा कि आप इस कंस्ट्रक्शन को जितनी जल्दी हो सके स्टॉप कर दीजिए और यहाँ से चले जाइए। सुरेश ने बड़े अकड़ में कहा कि अब से ये लैंड मेरी है। वॉट एवर यू वॉन्ट टू डू यू कैन डू, यू कैन चैलेंज इन कोर्ट, क्योंकि अब मैं इस लैंड को वेकेट नहीं करने वाला। रमेश ने कहा कि नाउ आई एम गोइंग टू चैलेंज इट इन कोर्ट, और ऐसा हुआ भी। उसने ये मैटर सिविल कोर्ट में फाइल कर दिया। स्टार्टिंग में उसको लगा कि नहीं, जजमेंट जल्दी आ जाएगा, एज ही हैड ऑल द डॉक्यूमेंट्स, नेसेसरी डॉक्यूमेंट्स विच प्रूव्स दैट ही इज़ द ओनर ऑफ द लैंड। बट ऐसा हुआ नहीं। 7 years passed, hearing after hearing, multiple visits to the lawyer. But fortunately, after waiting 7 years, the judgment came, and judgment came in the favor of Ramesh. After the judgment, he became so exuberant and very, very happy. He looked at the sky and said that देर है पर अंधेर नहीं. Yes, but his happiness could not last long. As soon as the Suresh approached him and said, "अरे, the battle has just begun. अभी तो लड़ाई स्टार्ट हुई है. We are going to challenge it in a upper court, that is district court. So be ready." After listening it, रमेश को नाव लगा कि अब उसको और वेट करना पड़ेगा. He has to wait more. After all, he has to fight the same case in a district court again. and now he started fighting the case in district court as well. Years passed. He sold his buffalo, he sold his wife jewelry because being a poor man, fighting civil case where you will have to hire an advocate is become very expensive and sometimes become very impossible. So after he was struggling a lot, but he didn't kneel down because the matter was not just the land. The matter is related to the memories, the golden memories, his golden memories with his father, which was related to the land. So he was fighting, and after waiting 15 years, finally justice stood with truth. Yeah, judgment came in the favor of Ramesh once again. At this time, he again said that there है परिंदे nahi. But again, happiness vanished when Suresh and his prominent and extremely expensive advocate approached him and said that we are going to challenge it in a high court because they possess right to appeal. So they have right to appeal this matter in the upper court, because if any of the party is not satisfied with the decision, he possesses the right of appeal. But after listening this time the Ramesh, who who is also struggling and running short of money, short of time, because he was very poor, एंड अब तो उसकी वाइफ भी कहने लगी थी कि छोड़ दो उस लैंड को और भूल जाओ उस लैंड को. आफ्टर लिसनिंग इट, उसने रमेश के सामने घुटने टेक दिए. उसने बोला, टेक माई लैंड, यू हैव टेकन माई टाइम, यू हैव टेकन माई वेल्थ, आई हैव नथिंग लेफ्ट. रमेश सुरेश ने कहा कि मैं तो आपको स्टार्टिंग में ही कह रहा था कि कंपनसेशन ले लो एंड forget it, forget the land and sell it to me. I want to ask you, and I think that that's why the ADR, the alternative dispute resolution, was also established, because they know that one of the party cannot fight in court, because in civil matter fighting the civil matters fighting in a court, in a upper court, become very expensive for a one party. So I want to ask you that do you think that Ramesh wanted to sell his land? The answer is no. But he was compelled. Compelled by whom? By Suresh or by the system itself? Not by Suresh. He was not lacking the documents, but he was forced by the system itself. And this is not the story related to Ramesh and Suresh. You can say that this is the fabricated story, but those who are knowing the reality of the system, of the legal system, can understand the reality behind the story. This is the story of everyone, every poor person who is struggling and fighting the case and fed up with the long proceedings, because when the case drags in years, sometimes decades, sometimes 2 decades, it loses its true meaning, it loses its true effect. And most of the cases, why a poor party won't appeal, you know why? Because it has seen the reality in lower court, it somewhere has accepted its defeat. When we read books, we read natural justice. We read maxims like Audi Ultram Partem, which says that everybody has right to be heard, and nobody should be the judge in his own case. This is the concept of the natural justice, and there are multiple FR like right to life, right to freedom, speech and expression. Multiple FR are reserved for the individuals, and even We also follow the procedure established by the law. But there is a jurist in the jurisprudence under realistic school who says it very beautifully that what law says in book is different how it is being actually applied. So there is a difference. And after looking at the condition of India, we can say that the jurist was right. There is different, because when you read multiple books you feel that you are in heaven, but in reality it is not going to be the case. I am not opposing anybody, and now I am not criticizing anybody, neither court not constitution. I am just putting the reality, and this is my personal perspective. In upcoming you can say videos, I am also going to provide the solution, because what we are doing, we are just analyzing, because uh, a student need to have the very analytical thinking. So we are just reading the scenarios, the reality behind the books. We are looking the practical, how it is what is happening in India, because in India over 5 crore cases are pending, and they are gonna take 300 years. Who is going to live 300 years? you know uh, Dr. Ambedkar very beautifully said that it is not about the constitution, and it is not about the constitution of any country. It is about the people. If the people, that if the parliament want, if the people to whom constitution is imposed, they can make any constitution one of the best constitution. If you read multiple books of law, if you read, you feel that literally this is Indian constitution is going to be the one of the best constitution all over the world. But when you look at the reality, the practicality, you feel that what is going on. You know that in reality, if you look at the punishment of a certain offense, you will feel the punishment is less, but the person who has done the crime has been suffering from decades. If he is given the punishment for a very first day, he must have, you can say, completed his entire punishment, and he is acquitted by the court, but he has been suffering. Why? So what we are doing, just we are just analyzing and looking at the reality. Let's meet in part 4 of this series. We will discuss more things. Have a nice day.